You need to put a hook back in. Sometimes it helps to prop the machine up, or if you're making timing adjustments. So what I do is we take a screwdriver and we're going to prop the machine up, and we're going to set that screwdriver just underneath there like that. And so now the machine is propped up, so it's slightly at an angle but still in front of us. So now we're going to turn it so the basket is cupped, and then we're going to set the hook into the basket just like that. And then we can close this and see how there's a pin on the left hand side. That pin on the left hand side is what clicks onto the leaf spring. So you want to push on the pin and you'll hear a click, and push on it with a little bit of force. You can push on a little bit of force to hear the click so you know it's in place. And see that? See how it moves? We're good. Now, at the base of this hook, or this hook race, what you'll see is there's actually kind of a divot there. And what that is so oil can run into the race and then take the oil around the whole basket area. So all you have to do to oil these hooks, once they're clean, you still need to clean the area, is take your oiler and put a drop of oil down here, and the hook will naturally take the oil into the race when it turns. See that? So it's taking the oil in. All right, we're ready for our initial test.